The iLogic factory command is specifically designed to copy parts and assemblies that have iLogic already built into them. The copy will then copy the iLogic as well and relink all the assemblies. So to start with, we've got a very basic assembly here with a simple rule. Okay, so if I go to my parameters and change the driving parameter, you can see that this will then modify one of the parts as the rule is writing back to the part as well. Okay, so let's open the part up, and again I have a simple rule in here which is doing the same thing. So what I want to do is create a new assembly and flag this iLogic as being copied as well. So the first thing we need to do is on our Excitech tab, we're going to select flag on the part. So open the part and just flag it. Okay. This will create a couple of properties that flag this part as being an iLogic part. So if I look at my custom properties, you can see here that the function has generated these for me. Now what I also need to do is within my parameters themselves, I need to flag the what I want to rename it as a key. So in this case, I'm going to make my size the key. Okay. So I'm going to return to my assembly and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So I'm going to flag the assembly. Okay. And I'm just going to check my parameters to make sure that I've flagged the key. There we go. So once that's done, I can now generate my new assembly. So I'll select generate. Okay, that was pretty quick, as you can see. So it all looks the same, but crucially it's created a new assembly, as you can see here in the browser, and it's also created that new part and then linked it back to the assembly. Crucially, the iLogic will have linked back to the part, so you can see now that by modifying this, the actual part works correctly.